Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a dust collection system in your workshop. A good dust collection system not only keeps your workspace clean, but also ensures your health and safety. So let's get started. First things first, you need to plan your layout. Identify where your tools are and where you'll be generating the most dust. This will help you determine the best spot for your dust collector. You want it centralized, so it can easily service all your tools. Next, you'll need to choose the right dust collector. For small workshops, a single-stage dust collector is usually enough. But if you've got a larger space or more powerful tools, consider a two-stage cyclone collector. It's more efficient and better at filtering fine dust. Once you've got your dust collector, it's time to run the ductwork. Use smooth-walled pipes, not flexible hoses, to minimize airflow resistance. Plan your layout with as few bends as possible and keep the ducts the same diameter as the dust collector's inlet. Seal all your connections with tape or caulk to prevent leaks. Now, it's time to connect your tools. Use blast gates to control airflow to each tool. This way, you can maximize suction where you need it most. Attach each tool to the ductwork using adapters and clamps, and make sure everything fits snugly and securely. Finally, test your system. Turn on the dust collector and check for any leaks or weak points. Adjust the blast gates and make sure you're getting good suction at each tool. And that's it. With a little planning and elbow grease, you can set up a dust collection system that keeps your workshop clean and safe. Thanks for watching and happy building.